Let's fill out the Pennsylvania dirt bike bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write N.A. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today we're walking you through what Pennsylvania requires for a dirt bike bill of sale. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk about where to sign. In Pennsylvania, you'll need to meet at a notary, a tag service, or a motor vehicle dealer to get things done officially. Now, for the title. You'll need a Pennsylvania certificate of title to transfer ownership of the bike. If there's a lien holder involved, meaning someone who has a loan on the vehicle, you'll need to contact that lien holder before completing your MV1 application, so take care of that early. On the buyer's side, the person purchasing the bike will need to bring a current Pennsylvania driver's license or a Pennsylvania photo identification card. For the seller, One important step is that the seller must remove the license plate from the vehicle before the sale is complete. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.